Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to fix the Telegram Premium required issue. So if Telegram is asking you to get premium before using a feature, just follow along. First, check which feature is showing the premium requirement. Some Telegram features are only available for premium users, so you may not be able to use them with a free account. Next, make sure you're using the latest version of Telegram. For that, you need to go to App Store, search for Telegram and update the app if an update is available. And after that, restart the Telegram app by using the feature again. If you think the premium message is appearing by mistake, log out of Telegram and sign back in to refresh your account. You can also clear the app cache by going to Telegram settings, data and storage uses, and clearing unnecessary cache files. So those are the best ways to fix the Telegram Premium required issue. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.